Hi guys, welcome back. Tom Fultrunik. We are gonna be joined by YOLO. What's up, YOLO? YOLO. Sadie Jr. today to watch TNT explode. Now, I made this myself. I made this myself. I didn't have any help. I did this all today. It took me about an hour. I made a small model. I made a very small model. So yeah. Sorry, I didn't get exit without saying because I didn't have host row with line. This is the inside of the TNT. The TNT, yeah. The inside. Ooh, forgot. Not in. Okay. Anyway, forgot I'm not in creative mode. Whatever, but I'll just do the size where the mobs aren't. Okay, but anyway. Yes, this is the inside. So yeah. The vlogs, I'm doing them. I'm sorry, I've just been super busy with some stuff out of school that I had to get done. It's just kind of stupid. Even though I'm out of school, it's still ridiculously busy. Yeah, it's crap. I have to do some stupid things too. Ooh, hit the TNT. Please don't go off. Okay. So, anyway. This is what we're gonna be doing today. Shoot, there's a skeleton. Go, go! Go. So yeah, guys, we're gonna be igniting the TNT right now. Let's do this thing. Get off! Get off! Okay. Let's go. Guys can sit down. Okay, I need to aim for that little hole. TNT on. There! Ooh, actually prepared for this, guys. Actually really did prepare for this, actually. I'm not kidding. I've got a whole nother stack of arrows. I don't think you need a whole stack of arrows. I'm a pretty good archer. Let's start from up a little. Okay, there we go. Woo! Let's watch the fireworks show! My arrow. Make that there. Yay! Still standing too much. I'll get out of it. Okay, let's just shoot that horse. Oh, yeah, it's on fire. Okay, I probably should have showed you, but this is the night light. It still works. What the heck? And this is like the hot cold water. It used to run a piston. Let's just try to close this off real fast. Oh crap, I just got rid of the water 100%. No, I didn't. Good. I'm glad. Oh, now I did. Yep, there it went. Okay, but you get the point, guys. You should get the point. Oh, yeah, it's going to blow again. Oh, crap. Forgot. This isn't creative much. Yeah, but this is standing too well, I think. Standing way too well, guys. Don't you think? No, please don't go through. Yay. The reason this bedrock was here because I didn't want to ignite it when I was building it. But I can still use it as a base to get around. But yeah, guys, thanks you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment on what do you want me to build next. I'm gonna do these when should I do these? Guys, I'll usually try to do the first comment. You know what? But anyway, guys, this is what we'll do. Think about what you want me to build next, and then I'll build it. But I'm gonna decide for a couple days. I mean, weeks until we get like more people watching. If we get 5 likes, I'll do it. Yeah, 5 likes. 5 likes. I'm not a really big YouTube channel at all. I have 25 subscribers and I only have 1,000 views. But yeah, if we get 5 likes, I'll do it again. That's pretty sad, but I'm happy with it, guys. I didn't start YouTube for money or anything, but oh my gosh, I just do it for fun. So yeah, guys, I'm sorry about the crappier definition. I'm making it off of my iPad, the first ever iPad made. Like, I swear, it's the first ever iPad model, and we got like literally legit when it came to the stores. It wasn't like the new iPad, but with some updates. It was the first ever. So as soon as they came out, we went and bought it. I kid you not. This is how old it is. It's pretty good, but I'm not relying on it to last me. I could probably use a new iPad now. Maybe I should try to save up some money for it. I don't know. I probably will. PC whoa. Oh, yeah, I'm invincible. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And, guys, I'll do more videos, and I'll see you. Oh, crap, later. You're gonna die. Oh, Sadie, Jody, you're hurt. Wait, I got there. Okay, let's go. No, YOLO! Did it work? Oh! Obviously that didn't work, guys. I was trying to like get away from it before it exploded. That'd be a good mini game. Ooh, this would be another. Okay, whatever. Guys, Tarta's not going anywhere. So yeah. Yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Guys, you can just click off the video now. I'm not even gonna talk. I just wanted to say I'm just gonna just put lava over it and maybe start my next build. I don't know.